Hey guys, welcome to another show. And today we have something special. As you can see, show is upgrading and adding this in our timeline as far as opening tops Formula One 2022 hobby boxes. Yes, this is the first time in the show, and of course, Formula One was kind of, you know, recommended to me by a coworker, saying the population of this is very short and small as far as pulling great hits. So here we are now, pulling Hamilton right here and all the great drivers in Formula One. So let's see if we pull an RPA or something like that of the greatest drivers here. All right, stay tuned. All right, so first box coming up here, and of course we are boom, and we got a ginormous card opening up here, and trying to be careful, and looks like it's a postcard. And how cool is that? So here comes the Silverstone postcard, and yeah, we'll put that there, and of course go ahead and open these guys. And I don't want to, I want to preserve the box here. So here we are now, and all right, I think I'm getting more and more comfortable using scissors again. So here we are now, going to see, and first things first is the landscape of Esteban Ocon, and of course Latifi, Lewis Hamilton. That's the card we want to get, right? And Sergio Perez, and I wonder if it's numbered, but yeah, let's see if we can increase the way he looks, stuff like that. So there you go. So yeah, so Botas is a blue one. Not sure. He's good. It's numbered. Okay, so 16 out of 99. Okay, so I'll see if I can post the price up, and then we'll go from there. But 16 of 99, and we got ourselves a numbered card, so not too bad. And of course Vesti, Daniel Ricciardo, and Vettel. So let me see if any one of them are numbered here, and we'll move on. So yeah, okay, so not so much there. All right, so and then we got Leclerc, and of course Guan Yu, Sebastian Vettel, again finisher Dennis Hogger, Flash of Brilliance Norris, and it's an insert, another car, Charles Leclerc and Kevin Magnussen. So Wonder if there is RPAs in this box, and it's quite a lot um, laid out here, and it's pretty thick, so we'll see if there is an RPA. So be nice. So that was Armstrong, Sergio Perez, making sure he gets caught in the camera. Alright, Hughes, Bottas, finish line there. Bottas again, Lewis Hamilton's car, George Russell, Charles Leclerc. So, yeah, I was told by a coworker that the lineups here, Lewis Hamilton, lineups here are short, so we'll definitely get the hits here. F1 Racer, Yuki Tsunoda, Max Verstappen, Magnussen. So yeah, I'm not sure if these finish lines are inserts. Probably are, considering they're have the special patterns. So I'll go through these cards again, and of course I don't think it's all base and whatnot. So Fernando Alonso again, Carlos Sainz, Max Verstappen, not numbered, but we'll put all the finish line. Sebastian Vettel, and then Sergio Perez, Marcus Armstrong. I guess there's no like rookie lineup or something like that. So yeah, fill me in, guys, in the comments. These guys are hits and whatnot, and like, yeah, there you go. Clean air, blue skies, Bottas is an insert or something, and then go from there. Yeah, so anything with that stuff, the quirk. Of course, Sergio Perez, Mattel. Yeah, I don't think I missed anything else here. So Holger, Ocon, Fosjung, Lewis Hamilton, award winner, Max Verstappen. Oh, there's the numbered card, teal. That's a 57 out of 199. All right, so there's a numbered card. All right, so just upgrading this one and just making sure we got light. So Darvula, not numbered, and then Sebastian Vettel, and yeah, so I guess these are just base that we're looking at here. So just double checking. I will double check later on if we get anything out of the ordinary. So I don't think these guys are numbered. Yeah, so These are just special inserts, brilliance, and of course, come on, get a grip. Finish lines, whatever you want to call them, track lines or something like that. So Hamilton, yeah. So not only will I post the price up, but yeah, we'll definitely get this going. So and yeah. Hold on. Okay. So we got Sergio Perez, not numbered, Max Verstappen, Binotto, not numbered, Lando Norris, finish line. We got Fernando Alonso, Sergio Perez, Sonoda, and Alonso. So none of which are numbered. So then Stroll, Masani, Ocon, finish line, Blue Skies, Carlos Sainz. So all the people now. We got Lewis Hamilton front and center, and then no numbered cards. Yeah, so double check again. I don't think we'll just get numbered, you know what I mean? Like, yeah, an auto will be nice. And Cleric, Caldwell, finish line, F1 Racer, Lando Norris, Sonoda. So definitely gonna look out for special cards here. Keep a close eye on it. So Guan Yu, Verstappen, Tsunoda, Boschung, and then we got Flash of Brilliance, Pierre Gasly. Oops, sorry. Verstappen holding trophy here. Kevin Magnussen, Lando Norris. Look for F1 relic cards. So F1 relic cards. It's like race worn patch, RPA maybe. Yeah. Sergio Perez, Latifi, Sebastian Vettel, Gasly, F1 Racer, McLaren F1. We've got Lawson, Lando Norris, Caldwell. So far we got 2 numbered cards there. Russell, Hamilton again, Toss, Charles Leclerc, special color purple out of 150, 75, Daniel Ricciardo, yeah. So what do you call it, pink or magenta? So they go by colors, I guess, and any borders with different colors will have are numbered. So I guess blue is out of 99, teal is 199, and purple is 150. So we need like out of 5 a 1 of 1. How's that? So let's get a 1 of 1. Perez and Flash Brilliance, Charles Leclerc again, Latifi, Verstappen, Gasly. Yeah, I mean, for a hobby box, this is pretty underwhelming. Yeah, so it's a little bit over $100 a box, you know, and yeah, Ralph Bosch Chung, Charles Leclerc, Blue Skies, Richard Rashore, Carlos Sainz, and Sato. Got Gasly, Iwasa, Albon, Saints, F1 Racer, Sergio Perez, Leclerc, Schumacher, and Perez. So none of which are numbered. Yeah. So I'm gonna get Lewis Hamilton 1 of 1 here. Schumacher, Lewis Hamilton. Okay. Schumacher again. Sonata, cool looking guy, and Ricardo. So definitely Marino Sato, Leclerc, Boss Jung, Latifi, F1 Racer, Alonso, Stroll, Lewis Hamilton's car. Hamilton again, Bottas, Verstappen, Hamilton again. This time the finish line thing, and Flash of Brilliance, Hamilton. Okay, Azur, Caldwell. So no RPAs. We will see. Okay, we got an auto, I think. Finally. Stroll, Hughes, Gasly, and Max Verstappen. Race Raw, Albin. I thought I saw something. Okay, I guess not. So, I guess not. Yeah, I'll double check before I open the other box. if I miss anything here. But, you know, these numbers are not impressive enough, so you need to get something much lower than, you know, 199 and such. Sato, got Stroll, and then that's it. So let me check real quick, and we'll get to the next chapter here.
A few inches later.
All right, so nothing seems to check out great from this first box, so go ahead and move on. Yeah, like these guys right here are no more than, you know, $10-15. So yeah, so we'll keep on hunting and go from there. So yep, I think as a hobby box, you know, at least not including a chase card, another postcard of Zandorf or whatever. So put that there. And I think for the sake of the show here, we'll just put that there. All right, so hopefully we get something better on this set here. Yeah, so there's Lewis Hamilton. So, you know, just the same arts but different patterns, I think, is what's, you know, the difference between here. So pretty much going to get hit with a bunch of base and then an insert or one, you know, an insert or two or one numbered card. So you don't get like multiple great deals in that one. So Hamilton, there you go, and then checkered Leclerc and Bottas, and of course that. So numbered card will be based on border colors, you know, like blue, teal, purple, red, or whatever. So last one, we got like 3 numbered cards, so hopefully it's not just numbered cards in every box, because that's just gonna make me not do this again, because it's not worth it. So checkered Clement, in my opinion, Flash Lando Norris, and not even sure what's the most expensive card is, you know, before grading or something like that. So it's gonna look and see Lewis Hamilton. So it's another checkered Ricardo and Leclerc insert, and Verstappen, Perez. Yeah. Yeah, not sure if I should have weighed this first and see, but you know, George Russell checkered. Here's a different bordered card with the yellow or orange back, so that one's different. The rest are base. Base, base, base. And of course in the back it's not just all F1, there's F2 right there. So Jake Hughes, Gasly, Williams, Guan Yu's car, checkered, Vettel, Flash of Brilliance, and then Verstappen, blah blah blah. So I think 3 cards, 3 card trick. So 1, 2, 3. It's not even a rookie. I mean, it'd be nice to have a rookie. So it's F2 like rookies. There's Perez, Fittipaldi, Ricciardo. So there's a teal now. I think it's out of 199 or something like that. So Leclerc, checkered, and Verstappen out of 199. So 199. Yeah. So, I do want to have the experience of driving an F1 car. Not so much of the NASCARs, stock cars or whatever, but F1 Formula. I have the knack for that. So, Lando Norris checkered, and then Carlos Sainz Clean Air Blue Skies card. So it looks like we got Vettel insert, and then base. We got Sebastian Vettel again, like his card, one racer. Yeah. Not sure what we're getting here. Alonso, Boschung, Bottas, Verstappen, Sargent, and Flash of Brilliance, Gasly. Somehow, some way, I'm more comfortable cutting packs, non-Pokemon ones for some reason. Oops. 1, 2, 3. Bottas, Verstappen, Guan Yu, Duhan, Verstappen, Magnussen, one racer. Oops. So hopefully we get something different. So different, I mean, like, stop just getting high numbered cards and yada yada yada. So Verstappen. So we had a teal earlier, 199 out of that one. So same art though. So I don't understand. What's so special about that? Mattia Binotto checkered, and then Sergio Perez out of 150. Check that price. Go from there. Alright, so Latifi, Hamilton, Sergio Perez, checkered, brilliant, Leclerc, and then of course I forgot to do the card trick. Yeah. Card trick, 1, 2, 3. Alright, Ford winners, Formula 1, Horner, Guan Yu, Gasly, Fittipaldi, Norris, checkered Stroll, and Clear Air Leclerc. Latifi, Vettel, Russell, Hamilton, Vettel again, Hamilton, yada yada yada. One, two, three. I mean, no RPA, no rookie. I mean, they need to change this up, you know. Yeah, this checkered stuff doesn't give you quite like getting something special, in my opinion. And there's a Lewis Hamilton in the back. I don't know what that is. So Leclerc is that brilliance. Schumacher, Perez, clear skies, brilliance. Gasly, Norris, Sergio Perez, Lewis Hamilton again. This is like a $2 card. So whoop-de-doo. You need to stop doing that. So Gasly, Massa, Verstappen, checkered, and Tsunoda there. Two more packs to go, and that will do. So looks like we're missing one numbered card, so it's going to be in one of these packs, and we'll go from there. So Verstappen again, Cedillo, Albon, Perez, Schumacher, Verstappen checkered card, and Stroll blue skies. So looks like this one will have D numbered. So yeah, Guan Yu, Hamilton, Ricciardo, Lawson, Russell, Saints, Armstrong checkered, F1 racer. So okay, so we didn't get a numbered. I'll double check again. Oh yeah, we got these two numbers right here in the back. So there you go, focus. But other than that, yeah, I hope you enjoy the show, guys, and let me know if you are interested in seeing more of these Formula Ones. But I'll probably shake it up and do other stuff, but you know, we'll keep it a surprise. But other than that, I hope you enjoy the show, guys, and thank you so much for watching, and also commenting down below what's your favorite car that you see here if you're a big fan of Formula One. But other than that, thank you for watching. See you in the next show. Stay in good health and stay in the good side. Remember this: God loves you, we love you, and Jesus is Lord. Bye.